on this episode of One with Nature.
By this afternoon, the Exxon Valdez had leaked 265,000 barrels of oil into the waters of Prince William Sound.
We don't want to be faced with that situation in our area.
A tiny, self-sufficient First Nation confronts the hazards of oil.
A sheen of oil continues to spread over a wide area.
If it does happen and there's a spill, my kids won't get the upbringing that I had.
An age-old way of life on an island paradise is threatened.
The unplugged well is currently leaking 42,000 gallons of oil a day.
Now the sacred spirit of a rarely seen, genetically unique animal may hold the key to their survival.